Creating a witch's cauldron centerpiece is more than just crafting a prop. It's an invitation into the world of magic, mystery, and folklore. Imagine a cauldron not just as a vessel for bubbling potions, but as a mystical artifact adorned with intricate runes and magical symbols that seem to shimmer with ancient power. The process of transforming an ordinary metal or wooden cauldron into a witch's masterpiece begins with a vision, a design that weaves together elements of myth, tradition, and personal artistry. First, consider the material. Whether you choose metal or wood, each brings its own character to the piece. Metal cauldrons evoke the classic witch's lair, sturdy and enduring, reflecting centuries of tradition. Wood offers a more rustic, earthy feel, connecting to the natural world and the ancient forest where magic is set to thrive. The surface of the cauldron becomes your canvas, ready to receive the story you wish to tell. Before carving, select your symbols with intention. Runes, sigils, and magical motifs each carry meaning. Norse runes, for example, might invoke protection, wisdom, or transformation. Alchemical symbols suggest the transmutation of elements, the pursuit of knowledge, and the blending of science and mystery. Celtic knots, moon phases, and pentagrams add layers of enchantment. Take time to research the meanings behind each symbol, ensuring your cauldron is not only visually striking, but also rich in narrative and purpose. With your design established, transfer it onto the cauldron's surface. Use chalk or a light pencil for wood or a marker for metal. This guide will help keep your lines precise as you work. Next, prepare your Carbide Burr, a versatile rotary tool bit perfect for carving fine details into both metal and wood. Safety is essential. Wear protective eyewear and a mask to shield yourself from dust and shavings. Begin carving slowly, letting the tool's tip trace along your guidelines. The Carbide Burr glides through the material, revealing intricate grooves and patterns. On metal, the Burr creates sharp, clean lines that catch the light, making every rune and symbol stand out. On wood, it carves deeper, leaving textured relief that invites touch and exploration. Work patiently, pausing often to brush away residue and check your progress. The act of carving becomes almost meditative, a ritual in itself, connecting you to the magical traditions you're honoring. Once the carving is complete, consider how to finish the cauldron. For metal, you might polish the surface to a gleaming shine, then darken the grooves with black enamel, creating dramatic contrast that accentuates every detail. For wood, a rich stain or varnish brings out the grain, while a touch of gold or silver paint highlights the symbols, making them pop. If you wish, lightly sand the edges of each rune to soften the look and give the cauldron an aged, mystical appearance. The completed cauldron transcends simple decoration. Place it at the center of your table, surround it with candles, crystals, or dried herbs. Let it serve as a focal point for gatherings, rituals, or storytelling. Guests will be drawn to its mysterious aura, tracing their fingers over the carved runes and wondering about the secrets it holds. It becomes a vessel not just for physical objects, but for imagination and wonder. In creating a witch's cauldron adorned with carved runes and magical symbols, you breathe new life into an ancient icon. Each mark you make is a tribute to the artisans, storytellers, and practitioners who came before. Whether it's used for display, ritual, or simply as a conversation piece, your cauldron stands as a testament to the enduring power of craft, creativity, and the magic that lies within the details.